Dear students, in this video, we are going to draw the Lewis structure of CO, which is called carbon monoxide. Students, to draw the Lewis structure, first of all, we have to calculate total number of electrons. Total number of electrons. Students, we know that carbon present in group 14, so it provides 4 electrons for bonding purpose. And oxygen present in group 16, it provides 6 electrons for bonding purpose. So we have total 10 electrons. And we have to distribute these 10 electrons between one of carbon and oxygen atom. So carbon and oxygen. Students, we know that to represent a single covalent bond, we place a pair of electrons between carbon and oxygen, which represent a single covalent bond. Now we complete the octet for outer atoms. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 electrons given to the carbon atoms. In this way, oxygen completes its octet, but if we observe carbon contain only 4 electrons. To complete the octet for carbon, we transfer this pair of electron between carbon and oxygen, so become a double covalent bond. In this way, carbon contains 6 and oxygen contains 8. So again, to complete the octet for carbon, we transfer this pair of electron between carbon and oxygen. So students, if we transfer this pair of electron between carbon and oxygen, then they will be the triple covalent bond. I can make a triple covalent bond between carbon and oxygen. So students, the structure of carbon monoxide, the Lewis structure of carbon monoxide becomes like this. Carbon, triple covalent bond with oxygen, with one lone pair on carbon and one lone pair on oxygen. So, students, in this way, oxygen, both of oxygen and carbon complete its octet like this. Carbon, oxygen, a triple covalent bond which is present between this carbon and oxygen, and one pair of electron as a lone pair exists between both of carbon and oxygen. So students, in this way, oxygen complete its octet and carbon also complete its octet. So this Lewis structure is the best Lewis structure for carbon monoxide. Okay, dear students, wish you all the best.